And I'll sift through another one of these photo and book truck collection literatures from this big collection. The Pacific. Oh, these are all off the internet. I see. 2002. Maybe we'll do two at a time. Always got to give the log truck an extra moment. And Miller Contracting, get rid of Langley. Ron Blundell and Sons, Pemberton, early 1980s. Holden, that's Terrace, BC, up north. Late 80s was the sale. Blundell truck. Well, somebody will have to see something that they knew of, or their uncle ran, or they ran, or dad had, or something that supported their family or their relatives for years. They can't all be nameless, faceless, anonymous. There's single pictures of those in Trucklogger magazine, convention editions in the mid-80s, and it said Gerald Patterson on the door, and they all look the same, so I don't know anything about that name or company, but it looks the same. That company's still around. Edwards and Associates Logging, Queen Charlotte Islands, Deanan Bay. Blank page. Mac Attack. We do not haul wood like that here. Not a thing. Nor is that a thing here. Or that. Definitely not that. Eastern United States. Blank. That would be American because of the small stakes. No offense, but the other half of them is missing if it was a Canadian truck. Yeah, there's ours. They're folded over, doubled over. FJM. I don't know where that is. Washington, Oregon, California. It's not looking quite right with the setup there. Unless that's sort of some front tag axle, but it's centered on the bunks. So. Oh no, here we go. It's on singles. I know you guys haul small loads, but I don't think you haul them on singles. Still a lot of book left here. Bear with me. Or go have popcorn. That's fancy. A lot of detail. And truck trader cutouts. That's just about 100% identical to the wheelbase little Mac that we had after our cab over one. So that's a 700, so that would have the longer hood. I think DM was it dump truck and mixer spec, but I don't know. My expertise is a little more in the iron than the trucks. I do still have a class 1. I have hauled logs and hauled low beds. Drove a little bit of dump truck because we had one. There, when I say we hauled a bigger load, they're caught working. Probably with all the material and tools out there, he probably broke it too. That'd be off highway. There's places still here in BC where they're hauling hours off road. Just hauling it into a lake or log dump somewhere and then floating it away. It's not right or wrong, it's just different. Each application, each area, different trucks, different size rigging, different loads. Blanks. Oh, there's self-loader of the week. That's cute. What kind of loader would that be? Oh, United. This is North American wide. These are not, this stuff isn't from here. These white pages, rabbits in a snowstorm. Chambers, don't know where that is. Obviously American with the small stakes. Oh, there's a sweetheart. Be something. Be 71, 73, 81, 83. Oh, this truck overload. So I was going to quit watching, but I got both hands working here. And thanks for sticking it out. One more book, I'll do a part 3.